I'm going to show you how to make a finished wood plug to fit a contoured workpiece. My 18-year-old helper, Alden Conrad, came up with this idea to fill some countersunk screw holes in the side of a traditional railing with a curved profile. The railing had been pre-finished in the shop, so putting in raw wood plugs and sanding them in place would result in having to basically refinish quite a large section of railing and risk having a mismatch on the stain. Alden suggested we take a scrap piece of railing, drill half-inch holes from one side to the other, insert the wood plugs, and then shape and sand them to match the contour. Then, after they were stained and varnished, they could be tapped out of the scrap from the other side with a dowel or a drill bit and installed in the finished railing. So that is exactly what we did, and it worked out perfectly. As you can see, the finished product is quite acceptable. I just think this is a brilliant idea, and it goes to show that at any age, young or old, you can come up with some really innovative ideas to solve problems in carpentry and woodworking. I thought I would pass this on to my viewers in case you were working on a project and have a need for contoured plugs. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, share with friends, and help grow the channel. Thanks for watching.